Hi, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we're unboxing the planner kit, notebooks, and inserts from the June 2026 Summer Avenue collection. Okay, this is the Summer Avenue planner kit. The planner kit comes in our heavy plastic folder that has a Velcro closure. It has gussets on the side, so it holds all of your kit contents or anything else that you want to store in here. And it's also perfect for taking your kits on the go. Okay, so the planner kit comes with 3 sheets of patterned paper that are folded and scored. They're 13 by 8.5 inches. And the first sheet has the lovely houses, all the different designs, and the back side has the beautiful watercolor. The next sheet has this map background and then the different Polaroid photos. And the inside is a yellow map. And then the third sheet is a collage of different passport stamps in a variety of colors. And then the back side has this tone-on-tone pattern. We also have a sheet of Kiss Cut PET stickers. And so Kiss Cut just means that when you peel them off the page, they come right off. Sometimes you can get PET stickers where you have to cut around them. That's why I make a note that they are Kiss Cut. There is also a little kit of stickers. There are 4 sheets included. The first one has a large tab, some dates, some icon stickers, and then some labels for your tabs. The second sheet is dates, alphabet stickers, and then labels. We also have a very fun decorative sheet, and then a sheet of dates and alphabet stickers. We have 2 self-adhesive pockets. These are great for sticking to notebooks, planner inserts, all of the places that you might want to add some different notes, stickers, anything you like to carry with you. So this one is a little bit larger, and then this one is slightly smaller. And all you have to do to use these is just pull them off the back, and then they're sticky and ready to go. We have a package of die cut stickers. You simply pull the back off and they are ready to be stuck onto your pages. There is a variety of decorative elements and then also our tabs. So the tabs come in a variety of patterns you can see here. And then the rest of them are just different decorative elements. We have a pen and ink test card. The front is decorative. And then on the back, you can test your different inks, your different pens, things like that to see what will coordinate and all of that stuff. So I just love that front design. I think it's super cute. We also have a little plastic calendar card. You can see the top is decorative right there. And then the bottom has the June 2026 calendar. We have our sticky notepad. It has this fun design this month. You see the different shape at the top. It's super cute. And then we also have a little enamel enamel charm. So you can stick it on your notebook, your planner. It has the little jump ring attached, so it'll go right wherever you'd like it. It's so cute. Isn't that adorable? I love that little guy. And then we have a roll of washi tape that features the different houses and buildings. It's really so cute. I love all the detail and then so many different colors. It's really very surprising how it manages to show up so beautifully, even in the washi tape, all of the different colors and different types of buildings. And then last but not least, we have this Zebra Sarasa fine liner in red. I love these pens. I think they're really great to write with, so I'm very excited about this one, especially in the red color. So this is the planner kit, and you can subscribe to this kit and receive everything you've seen here, or you can subscribe to this kit with one of our add-ons. So let's go ahead and check out those add-ons. Okay, so these are our planner inserts and our notebooks. We have 2 different types of inserts and 3 different sizes. And we have 2 different types of notebooks, yet we have 5 different sizes. So I'm going to share all of these with you. I will start with our planner inserts. So we have 2 different types of planner inserts. We have our classic vertical, and they're 7 by 9 inches. They coordinate perfectly with our Daisy planner, but they also work really well with a classic size Happy Planner or an Erin Condren, a typical size Erin Condren. We also have our planner inserts that are A5 and personal size. These are both the same. They're only different because of the sizes. And you can receive these punched or unpunched. So perhaps you like to punch them yourself, or perhaps you have, you punch them for discs or something like that. So you can elect to get them however you choose. Let's go ahead and start with our classic vertical inserts. So these are unlike any of the rest of them. They're very different, but they're very fun and unique. So they come with a heavy cardstock divider type page. And then when you flip that over, you have 2 pages of notes that are lightly decorated. Then we get into our monthly view, and the monthly view is the only dated portion of the inserts. The rest of the inserts are undated, so you can use them anytime you'd like. There is also a sidebar. And then we get right into our weekly view. The weekly view starts on Monday, ends on Sunday, and also has a sidebar for your notes. The paper is beautiful, it's fountain pen friendly, and all of these products are printed at a printer that is somewhat local to Cocoa Daisy headquarters in Michigan, and they are printed using recycled papers and recycled inks. You receive enough of the weekly view that you can get through the whole month. You don't have to worry about running out of running out of a week, no matter where the day of the week should fall, the first or the last day. And then when we get to the end, we have this notes page that has a little multicolored checklist. You can see that right there. And then we get right into our striped weekly pages. So as you can see here, this half of this page has the colorful stripes, and then this side has a checklist. On the back of the checklist is just a dot grid, and then on the back of the striped weekly view is a checklist. So what's unique about these 2 is that they are perforated in between these 2. So you can punch these to add them to your planner. You still have room for a gutter. So if you use discs, for example, they will still fit, and you can configure the sheets however you'd like. But then also you can tear this off very easily. I like to use this for meal planning, and then I write my grocery list, and then I just simply remove this and take it with me to the store. So as you can see, they work together wonderfully. And then there are also enough of these for the entire month as well. They're beautiful. There's a little bit of artwork included to make it feel more wonderful, and all of that, but you don't have to decorate anymore if you don't want to. And if you'd like to, you absolutely can still do that too. So those are the classic vertical inserts. And then we have the A5 and the personal. I'm going to flip through the A5 so that you can see them a little bit better, but the personal size are exactly the same. They're just a little bit smaller. All right, so the beginning is our heavy cardstock divider. You can see there is a tab and it says June, and then you flip it over and there is a small, just sort of monthly overview, and it is dated, but as I said already, the monthly views are the only ones that are dated in the inserts. And we have our striped weekly pages. And on the back, there is a dot grid with just a little bit of decoration. And there are enough of these to get you through the whole month. And then we have a grid note page. And then our weekly view, and Saturday and Sunday share a row down here. And then in between each week is a 2 notes pages, so you can use them for notes, or you can use them for scrapbooking or journaling or whatever you'd like to use them for. And you guessed it, there are enough of these for each week of the month. Then when we get to the end of the weekly section, you can see we have a note page over here that features the little red car, and then a colorful checklist page. And then we have our monthly view that is dated. It does include a sidebar over here, and then the whole month of June. And then we have a year at a glance page, and then a blank page that is so cute and absolutely perfect for, of course, notes, for scrapbooking, journaling, anything you can think of. And then we get into our daily pages. Our daily pages were designed as 2 pages for one day, but you can obviously use them however you'd like. So the left-hand side has a sort of an open space where you can write notes or take notes if you're in a meeting or something like that. And then the right-hand side has some checklists that also include some headers as well, and then this little snapshot of today. There's room to add your date up at the top also. So it's really a very, very versatile way to look at each day, but it's honestly perfect like if you want to journal over here and plan over here or whatever. There's just lots of different options. And there are enough pages for the whole month. So you can see lots of these daily pages that you will get through the entire month. And then when we get to the end, I'm going to show you. You have the last of your daily pages right here. And then when you flip that over, you have this blank notes page on the back side. So this is the A5 version, and these are the personal size. And as I said already, you can get them punched or unpunched. I have the punched versions here, but you can choose whichever works better for you. All right, so next up is our notebooks, and we have 2 different styles of notebook. So I'm gonna first show you these, and then I will show you this one when I'm finished. But we have 5 different sizes. So we have our A5, we have our B6, we have our standard size, we have our Daisy Weeks, which is about the same size as a Hobonichi Weeks, and then we have our little mini notebook as well. They're all the same on the inside. The only part that's different is the size. So I'm going to flip through the A5 so that you can get a better look at everything here. But the cover is a heavy cardstock, and then we get right into and have this decorative page here. There is a lined page and then our weekly striped page. And there are enough of these, you guessed it, for the whole month. And each of these notes pages is slightly different, just little different artwork. And then we get right into our monthly view, which is dated and does have the little sidebar for notes. And then we have all of these beautiful pages. I'm going to call them blank. They're not blank. You can see there's a grid. You can see there's a little bit of art, but there is lots and lots of room here for journaling, for note-taking, for planning, however you like to use a notebook, but let's make it a little bit beautiful and a little bit decorative. And as I've mentioned several times now, these are fountain pen friendly, and they are printed somewhat locally to Cocoa Daisy headquarters using recycled inks and papers. So pretty. I love this collection. The colors are so cheerful and fun. and have a summer vibe for sure, but don't feel overwhelmingly summer-y. In maybe the traditional sense of summer design, right? You've got the cute little cars on the street down here, the geraniums and other planters full of flowers. And then at the back, we have making your daily schedule a little more unbound and open-ended. And then of course the craft cover. So that's what our notebooks look like, and they're just very easy to use with the artwork and the layout being undated and very, very open-ended for your designs. And then we also have our Simple Daisy notebook. This one is different. It's a standard size notebook. It has the craft cover, but then on the inside, it features both pages that have a grid, a dot grid, or lines, but they also have our patterned papers as well. These are wonderful for journaling. They also can be used for planning, and then obviously they're great for scrapbooking too. So there's lots of different options here, and I think that you'll see just what's so beautiful about this. And it's a little bit of a unique product, as it can be an add-on for our planner kit or for our scrapbooking kit. And of course, any of these inserts that I'm showing you or notebooks can be subscribed to on their own as well. You don't have to receive them as an add-on. And then we get to the back page and it continues that decorative cover, and that's it. So if you want to see more about our planner kit or the notebooks or inserts, you can check all of these out on our website and you can see which one is perfect for you.